Alright guys, hello everybody, I'm Pizza Escofendo. Today I'm in SM Fairview, but later we're gonna do bowling. So first, I'll eat my lunch. I am Max, so on second floor, and I'm ground floor. So here are all the families. We have the brothers. Say hi to vlog. Wala. Hi vlog. Hi. Hi vlog. Hey hey. Well, let's see that this is all my family. So we are having a bonding in SM Fairview. Alright, now we finished Max in Max restaurant. Let's go to the bowling at second floor. Come on, follow me. Come on, follow me. There's an escalator up over there. Hey guys, now we're on escalator. We going up. Hey hey. Going up. We're falling. Now let the game begin. Alright guys, watch. There's 4 players. There's a Daddy and Alistair. There's 4 teams. Now we're at game 9. Alright, watch it. Watch the time how it goes. Here comes the big one. Guys, it's 2 times to give it one more again. Hey! Guys, watch the time. Go! Don't worry about it. Good job. Guys, did you see that? Did you see that?
Such a fast learner. I remember my billiards day. Tinalo ko ang lahat ng men sa billiards. Yung first time ko. Go, Daddy! May ayaw na tayo. Kasi pag malagay na
Napagawa yung hindi ko na naman tuloy. Kasi kailangan mabigat kasi hindi kumbayin siya pag magaan. Tapatumba na ni Kuya Gal. Ang goal kasi dapat napatumba mo lahat.
ayun, bakit ako lang?
Ang pinag sila kailangan mapatumba siya. Yun yung score mo.
My turn. Oh, pero ikaw mapanong ba?
Alright, it's my turn now.
Go, Faith! Go, Faith! Hindi ako sa isang tira. Ilan beses wala
Isa lang. Dapat sa isang ang goal talaga sa isang tira dapat lahat napatumba mo. Oo, mahirap siya.
Lapit na si Faith. Sulit naman pa rin papapalit ko ng shoes kahit nakakatambal.
Walang pro ngayon na naglalaro.
Sa susunod mag-laro si Faith. Ayaw ako naman daw. Sagot may team ni Faith.
Okay.
What?
So make it nice to me.
Tignan mo yung pa. Pwede naman yun. Pwede mo ibatamin doon.
Ayun, ang ganda ng ano.
Faith, galingan mo, Faith. Faith, galingan mo. What happened again?
Hard one. This is kind of hard one. This is kind of hard one.
What happened to your bowling?
This is kind of hard.
Okay guys, we're here in SM Fairview. We are playing bowling.
Yeah, I have
Faith,
to.
what happened?
Because it's kind of hard one.
It's so hard for you. You need to learn more.
Oh man.
It's okay, it's okay.
Daddy.
Let's see Nino.
Who else?
Let's see Ninang Dayan. We're going to try one.
Araw, dumabag sa kanyang bola. Sabi ko sa 5 eh.
What happened again?
What happened? Wait. Wait.
Ah, ito nga. Ganun mo mo.
Come on guys.
Come on. Let's see.
Yun eh. Ito kuya. Kuha mo na, kuha mo na. Relax.
It's kind of hard one. Then. Again.
Gawa niyo na yan.
Wala doon. 1, 2, 4. Di pa kapat na araw lagi tayo. Mula dito sa kanto. Doon mo lagi tayo.
It's my turn again. It's kind of hard one.
Ayaw mag-spare ah. Ayaw nga.
Pag-boyfriend kanina ka ako.
Ito maganda. Ganda yan. Diba? Ganda. Gitna kasi eh. Si Faith, Faith, ano ba nangyayari? Very good! Very good! Very good! Ngayon na pala, hinahagis na lang, tinatalbog.
Yun! Pasok!
Malayo.
Sayang. Damang na sir.
Very good! Yes! May score ka din! After 10 years!
Oh! Ganun mo, bato mo na.
Akala ko kung mapaghaw. Akala ko ibang linya nila.
How?
Ewan ko, di ko alam.
Hoy!